Welcome to another episode of Math with McGoy. Today we are dividing using the box method. Let's get into it. Let's do a 3-digit by 1-digit. So we're going to do 672 divided by 4 using the box method. When I am creating the box method, I look at the dividend and see how many boxes I need before I start. So since there are 3 digits in my dividend, I am going to create 3 boxes. And in each box, I am going to write a digit 6, 7, 2. And for my divisor, I'm going to put that on the outside. Before I start this method, I do recommend writing your first 9 multiples before you start this process, especially if you struggle with multiplication. So let's start. We're going to go through the same process that we do when you're doing traditional. Divide, multiply, subtract, but instead of bringing down the number, we're going to bring the number to the next box. So let's start. 4 goes into 6 how many times? And you can use your list of multiples to see what number is close to 6 but not over 6. So 4 goes into 6 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. Next step, we're going to subtract. And now 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we're going to bring this number over to the next box. I'm going to place it in the tens place. The traditional way, you usually put it in the ones place. But for the box method, you're going to put it in the tens place. So now we're going to do the process again. 4 goes into 27 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, because we don't want it to go over 27. 4 times 6 is 24. Subtract, and you get 3 left over. We're going to bring this number over to the tens place. And how many times does 4 go into 32? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Remainder, 0. So 672 divided by 4 is equal to 168. And that's how you do it. All right, so let's do this one together. Go grab your paper and pencil if you haven't already. And we're going to do a 4-digit divided by 2-digit. So we're going to do 4,224 divided by 12. All right, I'll give you a moment to write that down. All right, so how many boxes do you think I need for this one? Think about what we did in the last example. All right, look at your dividend. How many digits are in your dividend? Did you notice 4? Yes, so what we're going to do is we're going to create 4 boxes. And we're going to put a digit in each box. 4, 2, 2, 4. Try to keep it a little centered, not too close to the left, because remember, when you put that digit in, it's going to be in your tens place. And then we're going to write our divisor on the outside. Let's write our multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. And what happens when you practice this, you get better at multiplication. All right, so I'm just going to change pens and let's get started. All right, what is the first step here? Think about what we did. Let's put a note that we're still doing the same method here, right? We're still doing division, multiplication, subtraction, and then we're going to bring that number over. So let's remember that format. How many times does 12 go into 4? Let's look at our list. What do you notice here? 4 is smaller than 12, right? Since 12 is bigger than 4, it's going to be 0. 12 cannot go into 4. You cannot make a group of 12 with 4. So then we're going to write 0. We're going to subtract 0, and we have 4 left over, right? What's the next step? Did you say bring it over? Bring it over? Where are we putting it at? The tens? The ones? The tens. So now we're going to do the same process, right? 12 goes into 42 how many times? Give you a moment to think about this. Did you see it? Do you see it? Because I see it. 1, 2, 3 times, right? 12 goes into 42 3 times, because 3 times 12 is 36. Ooh, I see some regrouping here, right? I can't take 6 from 2. I need to regroup. This becomes 12, and since I borrowed, this becomes 3, right? I hope you've seen that, right? So always remember, you need to regroup when the number is bigger. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 3, 0. So we don't have to put that there. So what's the next step? Bring the 6 over to the tens place. Okay, I feel like you're getting the hang of it. 12 goes into 62 how many times? Okay, you see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times 12. 60. Yep. Then we have 2 left over. Okay, we're going to bring that over. 2 goes in the tens place. 12 times, what gives you 24? 2, right? We knew that was divisible, so subtract, remainder 0. So that means 4,224 divided by 12 is equal to 352. All right, now it's time for you to do a problem on your own. So I want you to write down this problem. After you write down this problem, I want you to pause the video and then check to see if our answers match. All right, let's compare. How did you do? Is our answer similar? Did you make a mistake and then realize when you made the mistake? Because remember, sometimes we make mistakes, and that's how you learn. That's how you grow. So hopefully next time you do this on your own, you'll be able to have more confidence and be able to answer it correctly. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Math with McGoy. If you want to see more videos, feel free to like, subscribe, or share if you feel like this video helped you.